Hey guys, Daven from Provide here, and today we're taking a look at NChain. NChain is really cool. It's part of the Provide core, and it is a low-code chain-agnostic Web3 API for building enterprise applications. What does that mean? That's a really good question. NChain is like your network switchboard that you communicate with and that handles all of your distributed networks for you. You tell NChain what transaction you want to make, and NChain knows exactly which network it needs to talk to make that transaction. It's a little bit more complicated than that, of course, but in general, that's how it works. So taking a look at some of the documentation here, we'll take a look down here at transactions. And transactions, NChain handles transactions, so all these different distributed networks, and you can send any sort of transaction you want through NChain. NChain has two separate daemons built in that have two entirely different roles. It's got a reachability daemon that is constantly pinging your networks and seeing which ones are up, which ones are down, what's reachable, what's the throughput. It just keeps an eye on everything and makes sure that everything is a-okay. The other is called a stats daemon. The stats daemon essentially is a logger for all of your networks. It keeps a record of everything that's going on and everything that has passed through your network or through NChain. Now, if you were to, let's say, send a transaction through NChain, you actually get information back as well. You get a data packet back that says when this transaction was broadcast, when it was finalized, when it was published, and we see all that here in the transaction documentation. And here is a response JSON sample that shows you what you get back from NChain. And one of the cooler features of NChain is it actually works with Provide payments. And NChain, because it pulls in your identity through ident, it knows whether your account is a self-custody account, that is, you are holding your own wallet and managing your own cryptocurrencies and tokens, or if it's a managed account. A managed account means that Provide is actually managing your transactions for you, so you don't have to hold any tokens. So it's a very big part of both Provide payments and the Provide core.